front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then hit Got it. And to go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Now you need to copy or cut any text and paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. If you want to paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, click on pin icon on the left, and to unpin it, click on the same now orange one. To delete your sentence, you need to swipe it to the right. And you can also click on this pen at the top right corner and adjust all of those options however you wish to. If Clipboard doesn't work properly, make sure that this switcher next to Remember Copied Text is on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!